some of you may have chosen your subject, some of you may not have, and you may have that doubt, like, oh, did I choose the right subject? Is it going to be a problem? You know, if you have not chosen your subjects, this is my advice, okay? Don't worry too much about what it's going to be in the future, because realistically, your GCSEs are just for you to understand what you enjoy. You have to study something to know whether you like it or not. Unfortunately, there are going to be subjects that you may have chosen that you may not like, and there may be some that you really like. Remember, this is all a learning curve. So obviously, you've studied these before. So ideally, if you enjoy the subject, you should probably pick it. Yeah. Pick subjects you genuinely like. Um, and, I'm going to link that to this because I know a lot of friends may be choosing this subject and you want to go over there. But at the end of the day, this is about you. You might really not like that subject. So choosing because of your friends, you might have that regret, like, oh, this is a bit hard. It's not really fun. I'm not enjoying it, etc. Okay. It could be that you never studied it before. A lot of schools open GCSE options that you've never even studied. So I recommend doing your research and seeing advice as to what the subject's like and the workload. So if you enjoy it and you're good at it, or maybe you're good at it but you don't enjoy it, okay? That's a tricky one because would you rather be bored or would you rather just have a good exam? It's totally up to you. If you find it easy and you think it'll have less workload, I think that's fine. Where does it lead? So some GCSEs may help you further down the line. So again, knowing what you want to do further down the line might help you. So obviously check what your choices open up for post 16. Post 16 means after year 11. Make sure you have a balanced mix. Now, like my school, they kind of force me to pick a language. I'm sure many of your schools do that as well. The reason simply is because it's good to have this creative mixture of different subjects. When you apply to university, they will look for things like that. Not so much nowadays, but it's certainly important rather than just having like a bog standard list of pretty similar GCSEs. It's good to have a vast variety. It's good to have the expressive arts. It's good to have a language because it does help keep your options flexible. Okay. So avoid picking all similar types. It's good to do different things. Okay. Even if you find it tricky, it will be a challenge and it's something you can definitely overcome. Talk to the subject teachers. I'm sure there's career events and fairs that you can go to. You can ask your teachers who teach this what it actually involves. Okay. Don't go into it blindsided. That's my advice. Okay. So don't worry too much. Don't dwell too much about what you've chosen or have that sinking feeling. I remember I had that for, I don't know, I think I chose design technology. But it won't affect your future. Okay.